Fat-soluble vitamins also meet the definition of being a lipid because they are biologically active and because they are non-polar. The term fat-soluble is just another way of saying that they are non-polar or that they are not soluble in water. So they are soluble in an organic solvent, or they're soluble in oils, which is the same thing as saying a fat. And because vitamins are talked about more often in nutrition than in any other area of science, it does make sense for us to be referring to them as fat soluble instead of referring to them as nonpolar vitamins or organic vitamins. There are 4 different types of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A. We're not going to draw the structures of these molecules. They're pretty big. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Now, in terms of what it means inside our body for them to be fat soluble, that just means that when we take in an excess of these 4 vitamins, our body is not able to excrete them in our urine like we could do with a water soluble vitamin like vitamin C. If you take too much vitamin C, you just urinate out all the extra vitamin C that you take. If you take too much vitamin A, your body stores it, stores some of it in your liver, and then it can also store some of the excess in your fat tissues. And your body is able to access that extra storage of the fat-soluble vitamins if it needs to, but you do still want to be careful that you're not ingesting significantly more than your body can metabolize or deal with. What we are going to talk about for each of these 4 vitamins is just sort of what role they play inside of your body. Vitamin A is associated with healthy skin. It's also associated with our vision. And it does have some connection to birth defects. So deficiency can be associated with birth defects. Vitamin D is associated with healthy bones. Calcium metabolism, which is associated with our bones. A disease called rickets, which is a bone disease that results from inefficiency with vitamin D. Vitamin E is associated with healthy neurological function. It is also an antioxidant, which in everyday language just means that it can help remove or react with or neutralize free radicals that might be in your body. Another way of saying antioxidant is reducing agent, so you'll see that on sapling. And then last but not least, vitamin K is associated with correct or proper blood clotting. So deficiencies in vitamin K can lead to diseases associated with inability to form good blood clots or coagulation, like hemorrhaging, could be a result of not enough vitamin K.